Yo, what's up, this is DgyMie and this is a very quick tutorial on how to create a backup of your loop. This could be very useful in multiple situations. First situation, you buy a new Loopstation and you want to put all your files into the new Loopstation. Also, if you lose your Loopstation or if your Loopstation decides for no reason to do a factory reset. So here we go. First step, you go on your loop, you press 4 times system and you turn this knob to storage and then press exit. After a short loading, it will open up this box here with the files of your loop inside. Just take those files, put it on your PC, create something like, I don't know, backup. So here you have your backup, whoa, and you drag everything inside. This will take a very short amount of time, like maybe 5 minutes. Once it's done, it's gonna close, and then you have your backup here. So you have your backup file here, which means if you have a problem in your loop, you just delete those files and you put the ones from your PC instead. Very easy, very fast. So now, once it's done, you go back on your loop and you press exit and write. It will load. And once it's done, you can press again 4 times system, put it back to audio MIDI and press exit. And to make sure it's working, you just restart your loop and it should be fine. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and tell me if you have more questions about the loop. Goodbye!